Welcome to J-Man's RC Models, Episode 1. This is the first clip in a series that I'll produce about my radio-controlled aircraft and watercraft. The aircraft are made mostly of sheet styrofoam. Their control is simple. Rev the engines for more altitude, throttle back for less, and cut them off to land. The planes have two motors. Steering is accomplished by differential thrust. That is, you increase revs on one while decreasing them on the other. I plan to strap on my GoPro and record flights for you. Meanwhile, I've included still pictures in this clip. My single RC watercraft is a battleship, of which I provided two video runs in this clip. The imagery was broadcast from the ship to the FPV, that's first person video, monitor, pictured also in this episode, and that made the recordings. Enjoy! Keep it out of the shadow. There you go.